Welcome to CADTek, your source for highly specialized metal stampings, prototypes, welded assemblies, and tooling needs. At CADTek, we are driven by the pursuit of quality excellence through a continuous implementation of best-in-class manufacturing procedures and standards. Since CADTek's inception in 1995, our knowledge and people create the foundation and pillars of our continued success. Our manufacturing capability is extensive. We offer a wide variety of options to our valued customers, including stampings up to 500 tons on our high-speed presses, in-house welding and sub-assembly work, prototypes, and in-house tool and design build and repair. We have a complete modern in-house quality lab to ensure that all parts and tooling exceed our customers' expectations. Products we specialize in: fluid handling brackets, powertrain components, airbag safety components, mounting brackets, military equipment, components for solar industry, underbody shields, and much more. Operating out of our headquarters in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, we ship products throughout North America. With an eye towards strategic growth, we are exploring options of setting up a new manufacturing distribution center with the goal of servicing our customers better. Our products end up on some of the most highly regarded OEM manufacturers in the world: GM, Chrysler, Ford, Nissan, Toyota, Honda, to name a few. Our passion is our product that is backed by our integrity and our extensive manufacturing experience that provides the foundation for our long-standing relationships for our valued customers. At CADTek, our highly skilled employees always put the needs of our customers first. If you are in the market for stamping, tooling, or prototype work, we have you covered. CADTek.